Hi, today I'm going to explain the lab 2, part 2, that is ionic development. So in the question it is asked to develop one machine learning or knowledge service API, one normal and one cam plugin for the ionic. So I have already recorded my output in the mobile by deploying the Android app. I'm just going to play. So here I have three uh, three tabs. One is tips, that is a normal API calling Foursquare API and getting the rating of a particular place and particular item that we want to search. And the detector is nothing but here a camera plugin I have used, camera barcode plugin that detects the barcode of the any product. And I have used for knowledge for machine learning purpose. I have used text identifier that hits the Google Vision and retrieves the data. So here is my demo in my Android app for in Kansas City. I'm going to search for Costco. So I'll get the results with the comments of for that particular one. So here you can see Costco on the weekend just shoot me miss the self checkout like that. So I'm going to search for Walmart as well. So I'll get a comments smart style Walmart super center like that. The same way the camera plugin barcoder. This is the first barcode. Capital oral price $200. The second one, it is acetaminophen oral price $76 and the description. And now click on camera button. This will convert into text. This image. I'm cropping the image now. So in few seconds I'll get a response from the Google API, that is TM, that is trademark mount track identified in this particular image. So this is about my output. Now I'm going to explain my code. So here in package.json I've used Angular 5 Angular 5 version, and I have uh, plugins like phone gap barcode scanner, and as usual the camera for Google Analytics. So in the source app.module.ts will be the kickstart of my application. I imported all the pages here and plugins and HTTP model and Google service. I have two service provider, that is for barcode and for Google Vision service provider. Sooner I'm going to explain it. So here all my pages are declared here. HTTP and browser module are imported here, and in the providers I injected barcode scanner and camera as well as the service providers from me. So I have totally two service providers, that is data service which will return me access.products.json, that is for my barcode scanner, and one more is this for Google Vision. I'm importing the key from the top here from the config file. So in the from first home page, I have defined for API square. This is what I have done. I have defined, I imported all the modules that I needed for this one, and I have a imported client ID and client secret key from the config file, and I declared my variables which is needed for me, and I am calling my API for square, getting the results and showing it here. So I am taking input that is city and search keyword here, that can be shown in the HTML file, that is city and search keyword. So on click I'm calling get details and showing the results here. So in the contact page, sorry about that for the bad convention, uh, but in the contact page I have developed for Google Vision. I have imported camera and Google Vision Service Provider, which I just now explained what is going to do. On capture, I'm calling this particular function with the allow edit true, and I'm converting those image into base64 image, and I'm passing that image data, that is base64, to Google Vision, and get text, that is converted, and I'm passing those data and setting this to this particular variable, this dot vision result. If any error or if there is no uh, text in the image, then this particular pop-up will be shown saying that no text deleted from the image. If any failure or error will be captured here for that particular API. So in the HTML file I just mentioned, on click at the top and here. So here I have done for barcode barcode scanner, that is I imported a barcode scanner at the top, and the constructor I had imported, and on click I am calling this open barcoder function and calling this particular library which has imported, and matching with the list which I have already, and showing it in the HTML page, that is here. This is the function I am calling here, and I am showing it what is the price and description and what is the product name of the particular product, and all these pages have been there in the tabs page, that is here. In tabs.html I have analytics, barcode, and camera, that is text identifier, detector, and tips respectively. So this is all about my application. Thank you.